Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. I still remain your show making made easy tutor Odurole Mojibola. Today I'm going to basically be showing us how I actually bottom my office wear. I know so many people have been wondering how I achieved that neat look, so I'm going to be showing us today. Also, I am going to be showing us how I created this cute slide. Now, I remember I've actually published this video before, but for the sake of those who are just watching my channel for the first time and for our newcomers, once again, you're welcome to my channel. All I do is make shoemaking simple for you. So all I need you to do is to press the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Sit back and I'll be right. So let's go ahead and bottom it. I'm going to be using my transparent gum for the bottoming. So let's go right into it. So just try to hit it this way. Hit it as much as you can. Make sure it's very hot. We are eating all around. So now that it's hot, just go ahead and place. Make sure that you're paying attention to every part of it. So all you need to do is just go ahead and press them all around. Your pressing is going to do a lot of work, so take your time to press all of the edges. Hula! You can see what I finally have right here. You can see what I have. So we are already through with our sandal again. So we are now going to be starting with our leather. You can see I've already created all of the uppers. Now when it comes to this particular PDF file, it's actually available for those who are part of my exclusive forum. Yes, so click the join button so that you can enjoy this. I'm actually using that particular pattern. All you need to do is just use the pattern to cut it out, and then you simply fix all of the points. All of the points you need to fix the buckle is already on the pattern. So what you need to do is just fix, just like you see me do now. Fix all the rivets, attach the buckle to the right side. Then you go ahead and begin to last. Now I need you to know that I'm going to be using a shoe glue by this side. I know somebody's already wondering, are you sure this thing will not remove by the time they start wearing the slide? Yes, it's likely going to remove. And then for me, I don't like stitching my slide. I don't know why. I just don't like that stitching thing. I wouldn't love the stitch to be seen inside the slide. It makes it really untidy as far as I'm concerned. So just watch me as I proceed with this. You can see I've fixed the other side that has the buckle. I'm already fixing the second part. Now for the strap that we have on it, the strap entering the buckle, I actually fix an eyelet right inside it. What we have there is what we call grommets. You can see I have already taught how to create this also on this channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, I need you to know that I have over 200 different videos on this channel, and I want you to go ahead and explore. If you're finding it difficult to see what you want, that's what the exclusive forum does for you. Join button and support my channel in your own little way. And what do I do back? And I help you to navigate the channel. I make the PDF files available for you. Our slide finally looks like. So we are just going to basically go to the second leg and just fix it that same way. So I want you to know that all I do on the Make Shoemaking easy for you. I have a pattern template that have over 50 different designs you can actually start with as a beginner. I have sole template inside it, round sole. I have square shaped sole as well right inside it. All of those are what I have inside. And at the same time too, I also have children's sandals. I have women and under pattern as well as their sole template. So if you're having challenges with sole, I need you to know that my pattern is a go-to pattern template. So I want you to know that now I've actually fixed this. I fixed the two legs. In short, the slide is so simple and easy. Use of a double sole. It's called relax sole. So I'm going to be using this screw to screw it down. Yes, you can actually use your screwdriver. If you don't have a driving tool like I just use here, you can decide to actually use a screwdriver. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. I'll see you next time. Bye.